Hey guys, it's Dawn from Princess Mom's Travel Tips, back with our series of cooking our way around Epcot. We've practically made it all the way around the world: Mexico, Norway, China, Germany, Italy, USA, and Japan, Morocco, and now we're in France, making beef bourguignon. I'm sure my accent stinks for that. What you'll need is butter, bacon, beef cut into cubes, salt and pepper, garlic, onion, carrots, mushrooms, rosemary, thyme, tomato paste, flour, red wine, beef broth, red wine vinegar, pearl onions, parsley. You'll turn on the stove to medium heat. You'll use a Dutch oven for this. I had to borrow mine. Hope you have one. You'll add the butter. Remember, guys, that the recipes are in the description below, and you'll add your chopped up bacon. And you'll cook that right down to a sizzle. Once it is cooked, you're going to remove the bacon with a slotted spoon, and you'll set that aside for later. So once these are cut up into like a bite-sized piece, you're going to pat them dry. They have to be very dry. Take the moisture out of them. I even picked up each individual one and dried it off. Then you will season to taste, salt and pepper. I did put a little bit more than shown here. And then you will add the pieces to the Dutch oven with the oil from the butter and bacon. You'll put the beef in there and cook it until it is browned. And once browned, you're going to remove again the beef from the Dutch oven and set that aside for later. Now to the Dutch oven, or the leftover in there, you're going to add the garlic, onions. This is the onion, not the pearl onion. Mushrooms and carrots. There was tons of mushrooms, guys. It was so glorious. I love mushrooms. I'm gonna stir that all up in the Dutch oven. We're not going to cover it yet, so we're just gonna cook that down until the onions are translucent. Then you are going to add your spices, the rosemary and thyme. This is when it really starts to smell really, really good. I'm going to add the tomato paste as well. Stir that in, incorporate it. It'll change the color a little bit. Then you'll add the bacon back into the Dutch oven. Sorry, that wasn't a very good video. And also all the beef back into the Dutch oven. I'm going to stir that up and add your flour. This is to thicken the sauce. And stir that all together. It's gonna become a little bit thick, so you make sure you cover all of the beef and all of the vegetables. And then you're going to add the red wine. Lots of red wine. The beef, oh my gosh, what's it called? Beef stock. And the pearl onions. They are whole, you just have to peel them. Unless you are smart and buy the peeled ones. So you'll bring that to a boil and then turn it down to low heat. and it'll simmer. Put the lid on the Dutch oven and leave it for simmer for about an hour and a half. You're going to stir occasionally during this time. Just so nothing sticks to the bottom, which it didn't even remotely do. After an hour and a half, you will take the lid off and you will add in the parsley, all chopped up, and some salt and pepper to taste again. Again, I did add a little bit more than that, but for the magic of film. There you go. And voila, it is all done. So I did make some mashed potatoes on the side. I'm pretty sure you guys can make potatoes, so I'm not going to show how I made that. Just serve it on top. Make sure you get a little bit of juice all over. And that is the beef bourguignon. Guys, it was delicious. You can garnish with a little bit more fresh parsley if you would like. And enjoy. Thanks again, guys, for joining me while I cook my way around Epcot. Next week, we're going to the United Kingdom. We're so close to Canada. So excited. Anyway, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok at Princess Mom's Travel Tips. Thanks again, guys, and see you soon. Bye.